Need to move some money around? Ally Bank is a popular choice, but waiting for transfers can be a pain, especially when you need that cash yesterday. So, how long do Ally Bank transfers actually take? We're diving deep into transfer times at Ally Bank, from lightning fast to, well, let's just say hold onto your hats. Understanding transfer types, 015 to 115. Before we get into specifics, there are a few key things to understand about Ally Bank transfers. First, there are different types. The most common is the ACH transfer, which is an electronic transfer between banks. Think of it like sending an email with money instead of words. These are generally free and perfect for everyday transactions like paying rent or reimbursing a friend. Then there are wires. Wires are like sending a rocket ship with your money super fast, but they come with a hefty fee. ACH transfer timeframes, 115 to 245. Alright, let's talk about those ACH transfers. Here's the thing, Ally Bank doesn't give a one-size-fits-all answer. They like to keep things interesting. In most cases, an ACH transfer from Ally to another bank will take 1 to 3 business days. So, if you initiate the transfer on Monday, you can expect the money to arrive in the other account by Wednesday or Thursday. But wait, there's more. Ally offers something called next-day transfers. This is where things get exciting. With next-day transfers, the money arrives in the other account by the next business day. Sounds amazing, right? Well, there's a catch. Ally determines who qualifies for next-day transfers based on a secret sauce recipe involving things like how long you've been a customer and how often you transfer money. No worries though, you can always check your online banking to see if you're eligible. Same-day transfers between Ally accounts, 245 to 315. Need the transfer to happen even faster? If you're moving money between 2 Ally Bank accounts, you're in luck. Ally offers instant transfers. These bad boys zip the money over 24/7, meaning you can transfer funds between your Ally accounts any time of day, any day of the week, and the money will be there in a flash. Pretty sweet, right? The not-so-speedy option, wires, 315 to 345. Now, let's talk about wires. Wires are the Usain Bolt of money transfers, crazy fast, but they come at a cost. Ally charges a fee for wire transfers, and it can be a hefty one depending on where you're sending the money. The upside? The transfer can be completed the same day if you initiate it before a specific cutoff time, which is usually around 3 p.m. Eastern Time. Important factors to consider, 3:45 to 4:30. Here are a few other things to keep in mind when it comes to Ally Bank transfers. Weekends and holidays don't count. Banks are like amusement parks, they're closed on weekends and holidays. So, if you initiate a transfer on a Friday, don't expect the money to arrive until the following Tuesday at the earliest. The other bank matters. Just because you send the money quickly from Ally doesn't mean the other bank will process it immediately. Their processing times can affect the overall transfer speed. Final thoughts, 4:30 to 4:45. Ally Bank offers a variety of transfer options to fit your needs, from the speedy instant transfer between Ally accounts to the more traditional and slightly slower ACH transfer. While you might not always get next-day transfers, Ally gives you flexibility and some great features like instant transfers between Ally accounts. So, the next time you need to move some money, you'll be a transfer time pro. Outro, 4:45. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.